Hey Phillies fans, it's Mandy Hausnick, the Phillies beat writer at the Morning Call in Allentown. I'm at spring training in Clearwater on the first official day of workouts for all position players. Everybody's here. Everybody will be busy today. There's a whole list of guys who are going to take batting practice at Bright House Field. Pitchers and catchers will be working out on a bunch of the other fields. So there's a full day ahead of us. On a side note, it's kind of a fun day for the writers. We're invited to take part in the Media Batting Challenge, which we did last year at 3 o'clock. Some guys will throw to us. There might be some players that are watching, so it should be a good time. Also, Raul Ibanez will talk to all of us after the workout, so you'll hear more about what he had to say later. He does look different. He definitely looks bigger, stronger, and has a beard. So he not a Jason Worth-like beard, but definitely a beard. And in case you didn't hear, Roy Oswalt had some big news yesterday that he shared with me. He and his wife, Nicole, actually had a baby right in the middle of the NLCS. So he pitched Game 2 on October 17th, flew home to be with his family, spent the off day there, and then met the team in San Francisco for Game 3 on October 19th. So quite the story that he was able to keep it quiet with all the media that's out there today. But that was his third girl. Her name is Aubrey, and she joins two big sisters who are 6 and 3. So we'll hit you up with more later. Until then, enjoy the weekend.